So the next question is, how did you apply for the jobs? I mean, like, what did you select? Did you apply for the QA job? Or what are some best practices you followed?
Well, so throughout we practice for QA and learn all the QA stuff. So the QA term has a lot of other terms that you can apply for, right? So there are software quality assurance, quality engineer, quality analyst, so tester. There are a lot of titles. Best thing would be just put your resume on the ChatGPT and ask them what kind of jobs you can apply for. They will give you a list of resume, and then Shilua is there. Review with him, then he will also tell you what kind of jobs you can apply for. But you have to so just make sure you know what kind of jobs, like all that software related title. And if you're doing any other thing, then the same process. Just go find out what kind of titles you can apply for, and then now so the question was how did I apply, right?
Yes.
So applying is really tough. Every jobs and 10 jobs every day can be really frustrating. If you think about filling up all those fields and everything, and then you also have to keep track of everywhere you've applied. So the best software I could find was simplify.com, which is a totally free software from LinkedIn. So this is what I utilized most of the time. I installed that on my Chrome, so it's a plugin. So and you fill up everything in their website, and if you fill up all of that, then when you go to apply your job, they have option to fill application. So with one click, you can fill up the whole application process. A couple clicks, and you just review if everything is good. So that took care of at least 10-15 minutes of copy pasting. So that made it easy. And then after you apply to jobs, you could track your application in that software too. So that software was really helpful for me to apply to jobs. I used that to apply all the jobs. So instead of taking 15 minutes to apply to a jobs, it took me um, 3-4 minutes to apply to jobs. But there are easy options too on the LinkedIn and everything. Quick apply, and everywhere. I use those too, but I feel like those have more competition, because if you compare to somebody who's going out filling out the whole application, because what happened, I've also heard from recruiters that the quick applies, people apply to those who are not even related to the field. Everybody goes apply, because in the job market everybody's frustrated. But I have done those hard applies too, but Simplify made it easy for me to apply.
So you are saying that everyone can install the plugin called the Simplify.
Yes. Yes.
Then they can should be able to complete on the plugin one time, and each time they apply, and this data will be pre-populated on the application, which is great.
Yes, absolutely. This is what I used, and it made it easier for me to do the applications.
Wonderful.